Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a voiceover. I'm just now getting over a cold and my voice was not too cute in this video. So starting off, we're going to be going in with warm taupe and we're setting that in our crease. Then we're going to be going in with Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're just going to go ahead and do the exact same motion that we did in the beginning. And I just want to make sure that I say that we're going to be dabbling in with the Modern Renaissance palette and the Dominique Latte palette. Next, I'm going in with Red Ochre and Vietnam Red, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right on top of those two colors that I just previously blended out. Then I'm going to take my one and only Urban Decay Primer Potion in shade Eden, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. And once I'm done cutting, I'm going back in with one of my older blending brushes and just making sure that everything is really seamless and there's no harsh lines. Then on a flat shader brush, I actually went ahead and took Vanilla Creme, and then I applied that onto my lid from the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and then I applied Creme Brulee, Macchiato, and also the iridescent color Vermeer from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Then going in with the LA Girl retractable pen, I'm going to go ahead and tightline my line. And I'm going to now do, using the NYX eyeliner gel, and do a horrible wing. I'm aware it looks really bad this time. It just wasn't my game, but I went ahead and cleaned that off camera. Just letting you guys know, I'm aware it's a bad wing. I forgot to do this before, but I'm adding it in now. So I'm going in with the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I'm adding pumpkin spice and hazelnut, and I'm just applying it on the colors on top of the colors that we blended in before. It's just giving it more of a reddish undertone, not that darkish color before. And just to save time, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. And for foundation, we're going to be going in with the Hourglass Foundation Vanish Stick Foundation. I'm applying that all over my face, and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. For cream contour, we're going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Toast. We're just gonna, do that on our forehead, cheekbones, chin, make it slimmer. And then for concealer, I like to go in with the LA Girl concealer in shade Light, or is it medium light? And then I like to mix it in with the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. I don't like too bright of an under eye, and I feel like combining those two just gives it a perfect shade for me, and it conceals but also highlights at the same time. And then to set my under eyes, I'm going in with the Dermablend Translucent Setting Powder. I wanted to say spray. And we're just locking those bad boys into place. And then just to give my skin some sun's kiss, oh my god, I'm going in with the KKW quad, and I'm going in with the shade medium, and then I'm also mixing it in with the Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this makeup with some Fix Plus, and I'm really excited because I was cleaning out my room and I found a fan. So now instead of like using Karen's face from her Dose of Colors collab, I actually have a fan to fan my setting spray. And then going in with my flat bottom brush, I'm taking Cypress Umber, and I'm just using that under my lower lash line. And then going back in with the LA Girl retractable pen, I am lining my lower lash line. For highlighter, I'm going in with Karen's collab with Dose of Colors in shade Bathe. I absolutely love this highlighter. It's just beautiful. And then going in with a lighter lip gloss, just in case if no one likes a darker lip. This is in the shade Cheeky. It's from Karen's ColourPop collection. And then for option number 2, I went ahead and matted down my lips again, then lined my lips up with Mamacita. It's a lip liner from ColourPop. And then for the lipstick, it is Diamond Life. It's from Makeup Revolution, and I absolutely love this color. And there you have it, you guys. That is today's finished fall makeup look. I love you guys very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.